All right, Chris, tell us about your crib.
Chateau Chris. Oh God, where's the view? Oh God. Step inside. Here's the phone holder. So what you gotta do is on one end like so.
Yes.
Ow, come on. Oh God, it's not gonna work. But Netflix and chill, yo.
What?
All right, Becca, tell us about your crib.
No.
Tell us about your crib.
It's huge. It's a lot of
We're
work.
about to lose our street.
Huge and a lot of work.
Blake, how's it going?
Yeah, but I have a sweatshirt on.
Okay. I don't.
God.
What are they?
I don't know, it's the same one as in my hair.
I think that's what was on my neck.
Oh, it's an infestation. So how was the first night?
Well, Blake, it was something.
Alex, how was the first night? You can see all the wet in the tent.
It was really cool. We have our very own swimming pool. Would you like to come?
As you can see,
Oh,
since
yeah.
yesterday, we've clearly added improvements to our tent, Blake.
Like, how was your first night?
It sucked. I got drenched. I slept in my car.
Also wet.
How does it feel to be voted off the island so early?
Not that bad. I get to sleep in a warm house. You know, don't have to sleep outside. Don't have to get rained on or wet.
Becca, how was the first night?
Awful.
Why?
I didn't eat until 10 o'clock.
No, I meant like sleeping.
I was soaked. Well, I wasn't soaked. Our tent is soaked.
Caroline, how was the first night?
Don't talk to me.
Oh God! It's like you're flying.
Well, I guess this is it, huh?
Deuces. I love you. I love you too.
Oh, he does.
I'm pregnant. It's Lord Chips. It's Lord Chips. The buffalo chips. God. Quick update. The dog stole our chips, and I chased it to the front office, and the chips were just full of dog slobber. This is great. Chris, what are we doing right now? Getting Blake's truck because we wimped out on the river.
Yep. We tried to float in the river, but there were just literal logs. Literal logs floating down the river.
We don't need poop. We need tree logs.
Yeah, so we did the smart thing, said no, and it's been a journey. Update. Good thing we went to get my truck, because that's where the water was earlier!
Here, was that
Hey,
not
Becca,
balance?
where are we right now?
A hotel.
No, What is this place called?
Eminence.
No, oh, we're in a suite.
Yeah, sweet.
Why are we in a suite?
Because it's tornadoing.
NATO, man. NATO Nation. Alex, why are we in a suite? Why are we in a suite? Why are we in a suite? Wrong.
Hey Alex, what are we on our way to go do right now?
To tell them off because they're doing construction right next to our tents.
That's not what we're going to do.
That's what we're going to do.
Chris, what do you think about this water?
It looks like chocolate milk, but it looks like it would taste like Yahoo.
Becca, what did we just get?
Free pizza. Free breakfast.
Free pizza.
Is there pineapple on this? Such a peaceful camping morning.
Where are we going?
Rocky Falls.
Rocky Falls. Alex, what's there?
Rocks. Falling rocks. Waterfall.
I'm gonna get butt naked under the waterfall.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
Hey Becca, where are we?
A waterfall.
Chris, where are we?
Falling in the water.
Alex, where are we?
Falling rocks. Falling rocks.
I'll hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
Yeah, setting up a tent on our last day.
Chris, wait, why are we setting up the tent?
Because we have to play the game in here.
We're setting up the tent because our tent was upside down whenever we got back from the waterfall. And this is the backup for if the hammock doesn't work. Wait, who the fuck? Alex, what are you doing right now?
Packing up, ready to go home.
How would you rate this camping trip?
The first 2 days,
Cumulatively,
0. The last day was 9.5.
Chris, how would you rate this camping trip?
are we doing it cumulatively or by day?
Do by day.
Okay, day 1 started off pretty good, and then by the time we all laid down, it was ass. Actually, it turned into ass when we were cooking. Day 2, Doug and Caroline left, and then it rained more. Then it
Yeah.
was a tornado, and we got stuck on a kayak. So that was a -5,
Yeah.
but quickly turned into a solid 3 with the game we played and the suite.
Yeah,
And then the last day, I'm gonna give it a 10 because I had fun with friends,
it was a good day.
and we found a waterfall and climbed in it and climbed in it.
That was pretty fun.
We were in a waterfall, Blake.
Becca, how would you rate this camping trip?
Every day sucked but yesterday.
That's a good way to put it.
No, if it wasn't so bad and the bugs were out, I wouldn't mind staying, you know what I mean? Like, a piece of me doesn't want to go home, but another piece is like...
Another piece of me is like, oh my god.
The buffalo chips.